Abeg, this weather e no fit me do heavy food o. I dey think say make I just do potato and fish stew for night. Walai, I dey with you. But you know me, I no dey like use plenty spice for food because I no wan spoil the taste of the food.
Hey, Hajia, you no dey use spice cook. Wetin you come dey use cook?
I just dey use small o. You know say all these things no suppose enter too much for person body.
Wait o, you dey talk spices abi you dey talk seasoning?
No be the same thing.
No be the same o. Spice na all those natural ones, turmeric dem, ginger, garlic. Seasoning come be those ones wey dey for cube, bouillon cube, chicken seasoning, all-purpose mixture. Those ones wey dey add anyhow.
I no know. Think say all of them na spice. Na so, my sister. But na true o. Spice dey natural and seasoning fit get salt and plenty other things inside. Sometimes they dey add all those things wey no too good for body if we use am plenty for food.
Na true, my sister. Sometimes when person talk say I no dey use plenty spice, wetin dem dey mean na say they no dey use plenty seasoning, because you go fit still use all those real spices like ginger, garlic, turmeric, clove dem, and all those local spices. Use am flavor your food, and you no go dey fear say you dey chop too much chemical.
Na today I learn o. So if I wan control the things wey I dey put for food, I go just focus on the natural spices, abi?
Yes o. No be say seasoning bad, but you fit mix am with the real spices make the flavor balance. Na the extra salt and wetin dey call that thing, MSG, wey dey some seasoning we need to dey careful about.
You don get am. Make we dey mix our local spices with small seasoning if need be, but no too much of the seasoning. Make food no just be salt and cube seasoning every time, because even all these doctors wey dey tell person wetin dey go chop talk say all the local seasoning dey get good things inside am wey go dey help do our body well.
I don learn today o. I go start today try this new way. Make my soup sweet but still dey healthy.
No worry, next time I go show una my secret spice mix. Na pure flavor without all that extra wahala.
Hey, oya now, we go dey wait for invitation. You know say we no dey miss free food.
Remember, spices like ginger, garlic, turmeric, cinnamon, and other natural ingredients are your best friends for healthy cooking. They are rich in antioxidants, which protects the body from free radicals that can cause cancer. They aid digestion, boost brain function, help regulate blood sugar levels. They boost metabolism and also have antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, to mention a few. Seasonings help in adding flavor to food too, but balance is important. Incorporating a variety of spices in your meal does not only enhance the flavor, but also provide a range of health benefits, from improving digestion to reducing inflammation and protecting against chronic diseases. So don't mix up your spices and seasoning. Always know the difference, because knowing the difference can make your meals healthier and tastier. If you enjoyed this video, please like and leave an encouraging comment. And you can even add an extra spice to us by sharing our video to someone who needs it. For more nutritional stories, subscribe to our channel.